If you've been wondering how Beehiiv newsletter works, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the full process step by step so you can create your Beehiiv account, build your newsletter, and send it out to your audience with confidence. Whether you're starting a new newsletter from scratch or just trying to understand how the publishing process works inside Beehiiv, this guide will make it simple and easy to follow. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is create a Beehiiv account. Open Beehiiv in your browser and sign up using your email address. Once you've completed the sign up process, Beehiiv will guide you through the first setup steps. This is where you begin building your newsletter from the ground up. Next, you'll set up your newsletter name. This is an important part because your newsletter name is what your readers will recognize, so choose something clear, memorable, and relevant to your content. Beehiiv makes this part straightforward, and once your name is set, you'll be ready to start creating your first issue. After that, look for the write button, lads. This is where the content creation process begins. When you click write, Beehiiv opens the editor where you can start drafting your newsletter. This is the main space where you'll put together everything your readers will see. Now it's time to create your newsletter content. You can type your message, add your intro, share updates, or write whatever you want your audience to read. Beehiiv gives you a clean and simple editing experience, so you can focus on writing without getting distracted by too many tools. As you build your newsletter, you can add text, images, links, and other content to make the email more engaging. You might include a featured image, a useful link, a call to action, or even a few different sections depending on the style of your newsletter. This helps make your email more useful and more interesting for your subscribers. Once your content is ready, click preview to review the newsletter. This is a very important step because it lets you check how everything will look before sending it out. Make sure your text looks correct, your images appear properly, and your links work as expected. Previewing your newsletter helps you catch mistakes before your audience sees it. When everything looks good, click publish. Prepares your newsletter so it can be sent to your subscribers. From there, Beehiiv gives you the option to send it as an email, which is how your newsletter reaches people directly in their inboxes. Choose send via email. This tells Beehiiv that you want to distribute your newsletter through email instead of just posting it somewhere on the platform. After that, you'll select the audience you want to send to. You can choose the subscribers you want included so the newsletter goes to the right people. Then you'll decide whether to schedule the email or send it immediately. If you want your newsletter delivered at a specific time, scheduling is the best option. If your content is ready right now, you can send it right away. Beehiiv gives you flexibility here, which makes it easy to control your delivery timing. Once you confirm everything, Beehiiv delivers the newsletter to your subscribers' inboxes. That's the final step, and it's what makes the whole system work. You write your content, preview it, publish it, choose your audience, and Beehiiv handles the delivery for you. So that's how Beehiiv newsletter works from start to finish. It's a simple process once you understand the flow, and after doing it once or twice, it becomes very easy to manage. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.